How do I add apps to my Philips Smart TV?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll be discussing how to add apps to your Philips Smart TV. If you're looking to expand your TV's functionality and access a wide range of apps, you're in the right place. Adding apps to your Philips Smart TV is a straightforward process, and I'll guide you through it step by step. So, let's get started.
Accessing the app gallery.
To add apps to your Philips Smart TV, the first thing you'll need to do is access the app gallery. Here's how you can do that. 1. Turn on your Philips Smart TV and ensure it is connected to the internet. 2. Using your TV remote, navigate to the home screen by pressing the home button. 3. On the home screen, you'll find a menu bar at the top of the screen. Move the cursor to the right until you reach the Apps option. 4. Once you've highlighted the Apps option, press the OK button to enter the app gallery.
Browsing and adding apps.
Now that you're in the app gallery, you can browse through a wide selection of apps and add them to your Philips Smart TV. Let's go through the steps. 1. In the app gallery, you'll see various categories and a list of featured apps. You can use the arrow buttons on your remote to navigate through the available apps. 2. Highlight the app you want to add and press the OK button to select it. 3. On the apps page, you'll find information about the app, including a description, rating, and screenshots. To add the app, click on the Add or Install button. 4. Wait for the app to download and install on your TV. The installation time may vary depending on the app's size and your internet speed. 5. Once the app is installed, you can access it from the app gallery or the home screen of your Philips Smart TV.
Updating and managing apps.
Adding apps to your Philips Smart TV is not the end of the journey. You'll also need to keep your apps updated and manage them efficiently. Here's how you can do that. 1. To update apps, return to the app gallery and navigate to the My Apps section. 2. In the My Apps section, you'll find a list of installed apps. Select the app you want to update and press the OK button. 3. If an update is available, you'll see an option to update the app. Select that option, and the update process will begin. 4. To manage your apps, you can use the Options or Settings button on your remote while the app is selected. This will provide you with additional options such as moving the app's position, uninstalling it, or clearing its cache. Congratulations! You've successfully learned how to add apps to your Philips Smart TV. By following these steps, you can easily expand your TV's capabilities and enjoy a wide variety of apps right from the comfort of your couch. Remember, accessing the app gallery, browsing, and adding apps are just a few clicks away. So go ahead and explore the world of apps on your Philips Smart TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy app streaming!